Are you struggling to install Tesserocr on your Windows machine? You're not alone. Many users face this challenge, and today, we're going to walk through the steps to get it up and running smoothly. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you think you've done everything right, only to hit a wall with an error message. It can feel like you're stuck in a maze with no way out. But don't worry, we're here to help. Let's dive into the specific issue at hand. One user recently asked, "How do I install Tesserocr after downloading Tesseract and Leptonica?" They encountered a fatal error stating that the include file leptonica/allheaders.h could not be found. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what's going on here? The error indicates that the compiler can't find the necessary header files from Leptonica. This usually happens when the include and lib directories are not set up correctly in your environment. But don't worry, we'll guide you through the setup process. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share an alternative method to install Tesserocr that might save you some time and hassle. To begin resolving the issue, the user should ensure that the include and lib directories from the Leptonica download are correctly placed. These directories need to be accessible during the installation of Tesserocr. Next, the user should set environment variables to help the installation process locate the necessary files. This involves adding the paths to the include and lib directories to the system's environment variables. After setting the environment variables, the user should open a command prompt and navigate to their Python virtual environment. From there, they can attempt to install Tesserocr again using pip. If the installation is successful, the user can verify it by importing Tesserocr in a Python script. This will confirm that everything is set up correctly. As an alternative, the user can consider using pre-built binaries for Tesserocr, which can simplify the installation process. This can be done by searching for Tesserocr wheels compatible with Windows. Fun fact, did you know that Tesseract was originally developed by Hewlett-Packard in the 1980s? It's come a long way since then, and now it's one of the best OCR engines available. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user is to use Anaconda to install Tesserocr. First, download and install Anaconda for Windows. Then, open the Anaconda prompt and create a new environment named OCR with Python 2.7. After activating the environment, you can install Tesserocr using specific commands. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative approach suggests that simply installing Leptonica won't resolve the installation error for Tesseract OCR. Instead, after installing Tesseract using the Windows installer, you should install the Python wrapper by running pip install pytesseract. Additionally, remember to set the Tesseract path in your script after importing the pytesseract library. This is crucial for it to work correctly. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. One alternative solution for installing Tesserocr on Windows is to navigate to the libs location and run the command pi34 mpip install sum package. You can also follow a detailed guide for installing Tesseract on Windows by visiting the link provided, or simply download the setup from the PyPI page and double-click to install. If you still encounter issues, don't worry. There's another way to install Tesserocr using pre-built binaries that can save you from the hassle of compiling from source. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to install Tesserocr successfully. Remember, troubleshooting can be tricky, but with patience and the right guidance, you can overcome any obstacle. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.